In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a marks list using Google Forms. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step, so whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone looking to efficiently collect and analyze data, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Firstly, we need to create a form in Google Forms, which is a great tool for gathering information in an organized way. Access Google Forms by heading to forms.google.com and signing in with your Google account if prompted. Once you're in, click on the plus icon to start a new blank form. Begin by giving your form a meaningful title and description so that respondents know exactly what it's about. For instance, you might title it End of Term Evaluation and add a description like, "Please complete this form to evaluate your understanding of the course material." Next, it's time to add some questions. Google Forms provides several types of questions, like multiple choice, checkboxes, linear scales, and more. Consider what type of questions will best meet your needs. For a marks list, you might use multiple choice questions where students select one correct answer from several options, or a short answer question for them to input their answer. Click on the drop-down menu to choose your question type and then type in your question. After you've set all your questions, it's crucial to make the form a quiz. Click on the settings icon. It looks like a gear found at the top right corner. Within the settings, navigate to the Quizzes tab and toggle the switch to Make this a quiz. This feature provides the ability to assign point values to questions and automatically calculate grades. Now, you'll need to go back to each question and assign points. Click on one of your questions, and you'll see an option to indicate the correct answer. Select the correct answer and assign the number of points that question is worth. Repeat this for all questions in your form. Once all questions are set with correct answers and point values, it's time to test your form. Before sending it out to others, it's a good idea to preview your form and take the quiz yourself. Simply click the eye icon up top to see your form as it will appear to respondents. Having ensured everything works appropriately, send your form out. Press the Send button in the top right corner, where you can choose to send via email, share a link, or even embed it on a web page. Finally, once responses start coming in, go back to your form and view the results in the Responses tab. Here, you can analyze each response or even export the data to Google Sheets for further analysis, which is perfect if you want to easily create a comprehensive marks list. And that's it. You've now successfully created a marks-generating form using Google Forms. By leveraging the power of Google Forms, grading now becomes efficient and automated, saving you time and allowing for easy data collection. Thank you for joining me today, and happy form creating!